Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can order from your ASOS account. So first of all, open the app ASOS. Here if you scroll down, you'll see lots of varieties of clothes and other stuffs which you can order. Also you'll see search icon at the top right of the screen. You can tap on that and enter what you want to look for. So here I'll write dress as I'm searching for a dress. Now you'll see lots of options of dress. You can select any one you like. So here I've selected one. Now below you'll see the option of add to bag. So hit the green button. So as you click add to bag, you'll go to the website where you must enter your details like email address and a password and tap on sign in. Now you'll reach to the website page. You can select your size. After you have selected, you can also check for the video of dress. So below the dress picture you'll see option of video. Tap on that where you'll see video. Now beside the add to bag option you'll see bag icon. Tap on that. You'll see the last option of checkout. Tap on checkout. Now you must add your postal address. So tap on add postal address and enter all the details of yours. After you enter all the details, tap on delivery to this location. Here you can scroll down and check for the details which you have entered, and if the details is wrong you can correct it. Now tap on any payment method you want. You can tap on credit or debit card so that you can pay from your card. You can pay from PayPal, and you'll see the last option or a button where it says place order. Tap on that. Here I'm not about to order, so I won't tap on pay order, but you can tap on any payment method, add the details of the payment method and order the stuff. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.